Hi everyone, I've just come to share another journal with you, and this one is another nature themed journal. I had loads of bits left over from doing my previous nature journal, which was the big chunky one that was my last video. So I thought I would do a smaller one, just a one signature. Excuse me. This measures 8 inches by 5 1/4, has one signature, and there is 108 pages front and back. This will be listed in my shop if you're interested. So I've used this cardstock with this kind of like vine with the flowers on it, which I thought was really pretty, and that has been sewn onto coffee dyed cardstock, so it's nice and thick. Done some layering here, some music paper. This was just some collage paper from ARTYmaze. This image here again is from ARTYmaze. I've got the butterfly here. I've put some like mesh trim there, the word remember, and we have eyelets and string as a closure. There is some tabs on the side as well. So I'm just gonna flip through for you and just check I'm in frame. Rather than getting halfway through and deciding I'll check to see if I'm in frame. So I've done some stenciling on the inside and here as well, and it's the same papers from the journal, from my last journal, which is from Vectoria Designs, and it's the Botanical journal kit. So we have here some bird images, some tags. These were from ARTYmaze, this image. This was from the old design shop, and I've just popped some tabs on the top of that. All this kind of stuff has been backed onto doubled over tea or coffee dyed paper and then sewn, as is this. This is from ARTYmaze, and it's got the dragonfly there with the flowers. I think they're lilies. Could be wrong. Kind of looks like a lily leaf. And this is a double pocket flip out, which is an idea from Terri, and Terri's linked below. And that just pops in there. We have a doily. I've used some cardstock here, which has got like a fern leaf on it, and a butterfly, a doily, some corner punching, got a paper bag. This is some book page, can't remember what was that. It's practical English and effective speech. This is from Tsunami Rose. This is from the old design shop, and then here I just have a journal card and some ephemera from the old design shop. There we go. Got like a half page here, and I've been using these labels from ARTYmaze, so I popped one on there. I've got a tab, again a page from the kit. We've got a pockets here, and this little piece is actually from the kit, and what I did was I kind of cut it so that it was a square around it, and then just popped it onto some cardstock and then inked around the edges. This is from Dreams Etc. That's open as well if you want to tuck something smaller in there. A doily, some more corner punching, dictionary page, some ledger. That's from the old design shop. Again, some more ledger, which is printable. Another page from the kit. Here I've done a flip up, flip down. I've just popped that journal card inside there. I've used that little pocket from the kit, and then I've just kind of done like a half tag and popped that in there. Got a doily ticket butterfly, and then in the back here we have a tag and a bird journaling card. Another doily, some corner punching, paper bag. This is from Henry VIII, which is vintage, very yellow around the edging. I was gifted this from Climmies. This is from Tsunami Rose. Here we've just got a tag and then one of these trifolds, which has been corner punched. Another little label there, centre of the signature. I've got a flip out here with another label and another tag and another trifold flip out. So there is so much journal space in this. Here we've got a flip up, flip down. You could glue that and make that a permanent pocket. And then here we have a bee journal card, a flower here, and another kind of little half tag. Here we just have another double corner pocket, again another idea from Terri. So that goes like that, journal card in there as this tag, actually that goes there, another journal card, journal tag, and another bee journal card. Paper clipped, and then just kind of hide that underneath the doily. Another flip with a label. Here we just have another journal card and another piece of ephemera. It's just been coffee dyed, and that is just paper clipped on there. The other side of the paper bag. Here we have a double flip up, we have a tag in the back, and then that flips up. There is a pocket here, then a deeper pocket there, and that flips up. We've got a pocket there and then a pocket here. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pockets on that page. And that is the last page. So there you have it. Still quite a chunky journal. Like I said, this will be listed in my shop if you're interested. If you have any questions, just ask, and thanks for watching. Bye.